Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and I am Faryal Khan. So today I am going to be doing a very cool toned nude makeup look. So one of my very dear friend gifted me Smashbox Cosmetics gift set in which I had 3 palettes. 2 of them were eyeshadows and 1 of them was face. So I thought maybe I should use that in this video because when I opened that up, it really inspired me. It's very cool tone, but this brown is quite warm. This one is warm, but sort of like this side is very cool tone browns. So I have prepped my skin in advance with this Hada Labo lotion and this Hada Labo gel cream. Now I'm going to go with my very trusty e.l.f. putty primer. I absolutely love this primer. Now I'm going to take this Studio Fix Matte foundation in the shade NC15. So to apply the foundation, I am going to take a foundation brush and lightly buff into my skin. I don't like a thick layer of foundation. I am going to take some foundation down my neck. Now I'm going to go with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium 29N. And I'm going to put where I have the most dark circles, and then I'm going to use a lighter shade of concealer to brighten up my under eyes. Now I'm going to take the damp beauty blender and I am going to blend that. Now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. The reason I put a darker concealer first and then light, because if I put light concealer straight on my dark circles, the skin is gonna look very gray. So I try to cover my dark circles with the darker concealer and then I use a lighter shade to brighten up the under eye. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. I'm not going to use a lot because my skin is dry. And in the winter time, I really want the skin to look dewy and hydrated. So I'm just going to lightly dust under my eyes and go over the lid a little bit. Now I'm going to move on to the contouring. I am going to use this Maybelline Master Sculpt contour, and for contouring I'm going to use this NARS Kabuki flat brush. I'm going to contour my nose with the same powder, so I'm just taking Morphe M218 brush and I'm just going on the side of my nose and taking the contour up in my brows. Now I'm going to put around the tip of my nose. So now I'm going to take this Smashbox Star Bright Cheek palette and I'm going to use the bronzer from this palette. Wow, that's a very pretty shade for a bronzer, especially for the skin tone I have. And yeah, I'm using Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH04 angle brush for the bronzer. Guys, the Jaclyn Hill brush set is really good and it usually comes on sale at Morphe website. So if it comes on 50% off, I think you should get that. Now I'm going to take the bronzer and do my jawline. Now from the same palette, I am going to use the highlighter. I am going to use the JH09 highlighter brush. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I like it. I'm going to do the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm going to use the same highlighter and do my brow highlight. I like doing the brow highlight before doing the brows. I think I need to stop. The highlighter is really pretty, guys. Okay, now I'm going to take the blush from the same palette. And for the blush, I am going to use JH06 Jaclyn Hill brush. The reason I do my blush after the highlight is that because when you do the highlight first, then the highlight just blends into your blush and gives a really nice look. Now I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'm going to use this ABH Brow Wiz micro pencil, and this is in the shade where is that? Yeah, Ebony. So I'm going to run my spoolie first in the brows. Then I'm going to take the pencil and just going to follow my natural eyebrow shape. Now I'm going to take the ABH Clear Brow Gel and set my brows on place. So for the eyes, I'm going to take Morphe 218 brush. I'm going to pick the shade Cruise. I thought I should zoom you in so you can see it clearly what I'm doing. So I'm just putting that shade Cruise all over my lid and emphasizing my crease. Now I'm going to take the same shade and go under my eyes. So on the same brush, I'm going to take this shade Java. And this time I'm just going right into the crease. Now I'm going to take the same shade under my eyes. Now I'm going to take this darker cool tone brown, which is nude. And I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill JH45 blending brush. And this shade I'm going to take right onto the outer corner and in my crease. I just want to darken up the outer corner and crease with this shade. And I'm going to take the same shade under my eyes. I'm leaving the inner corner. I'm not taking the darker shade up to the inner corner. Just leave it because we are going to use the highlighter to brighten this up. Now I'm going to take the same brush I was using before and take this shade Java and blend the edges with this. So now I'm going to take this shade Cinnamon. This is a very shimmery cool tone shade, and I'm going to use my finger for this. And I'm going to put right onto the lid. Now I'm going to take this shade Vanilla. This is a very light shade, and I'm going to put it into my inner corner. It's a very nice highlight shade. Now I'm going to put the mascara, and I'm going to use this Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Now I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to spray. Okay, so for the lips, I am going to use this Primark lip liner in the shade Toast. It's a nude lip liner. And I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to take this MAC lipstick in the shade Influentiate. That's a lovely nude. Now I'm going to take this I Heart Revolution lip gloss in the shade Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough, and just going to put it in the middle of my lips. I'm not putting a lot of it, I'm just trying to make my lips plumped and hydrated. Now I'm going to take this nude eyeliner pencil and I'm going to put that right into my waterline. Now I'm going to put on my lenses and put on my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back. So for the lashes, I have used these Ardell wispies. They come in a pair of 5 and I really like them. Can you see the band of these eyelashes are transparent, and they are super light, super lightweight, but they look so pretty on the eyes. So this is the look I created in this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, then it would be so nice of you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.